Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this faux locks or butterfly locks, whatever you want to call it. Guys, I was craving it and I want you to see how I made it. So I always start off with splitting my hair into 6 sections, guys, because I like working with smaller sections of hair. And then I got these butterfly locks from Amazon. I've put the link in. And these are the packs, and inside each pack, as you guys can see, is the beautiful butterfly locks. And then I got some kinky twists from Amazon as well. And I'm just going to show you guys, this is how the packs look like. And inside each pack is this fluffy, kinky hair. And then to start off with, I start off with parting my hair. We're starting with the first line. I'm going for some medium sections and I'm using my mirror, as you guys can see, and that is exactly what I use to look at the back, make sure the sections are straight, and braid the hair. And there you go. As you guys can see, these nice beautiful medium sections, but I'll show you guys how I do each section. So once I've split it using my mirror as a guide, I get my moisturizer and I put that in between the section and around the section because moisture is important. Then my Shine and Jam gel, I just put that over and around just to define the section and then just braid it as normal. And I'm not really putting a lot more details to how I do this because I believe this is a very beginner friendly style. I think everyone should be capable of doing these plaits in their hair. And then for the front, guys, I am splitting the hair into 5 sections. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the same side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, and for each part I do the same thing, guys. Put my moisturizer first and then my Shine and Jam to define the section. I have done a separate parting video to show you guys how I do the parting the front. Please feel free to check it out. And then I'm just braiding the plait just to finish off before we get down to business. I was really craving this hairstyle and I'm so excited to be able to do it. But let's get to business now. So for each section, guys, I start off by putting the crochet through the butterfly extension and then hook it to the section, and then the bottom part of it I am crocheting it, as you can see, through the scalp and then attaching it to the end of the braid and then kind of pulling to make them equal. And then I get a small section of the kinky twist and fold it halfway, as you guys can see, and then put half of it onto the hair. So we grip the hair nicely, put half of it onto the hair and then wrap around, as you guys can see. And as I wrap around, I'm kind of fluffing the hair, but keep on wrapping at the base first until you get to the thickness that you are happy with before you proceed. And then now that I have secured it, I'm getting the rest of it and I'm now just wrapping the entire thing together, and keep on wrapping at the base until you feel like you get to the thickness you're ready for, you're comfortable with, and then move down. So as I move down, guys, I only move down once I'm happy with how thick it is, and then I go further down. Sometimes I do come back up, but very rarely, and then just keep on going down. I really would recommend trying not to tighten or do too tight close to the scalp, because obviously you don't want to put too much tension on the scalp, but we just keep on fluffing and wrapping until there's only a small amount, and just keep on going. And now I'm going down towards the butterfly twist. As you guys can see, I'm ending close to the butterfly twist just so that it blends in. And then once I'm finished, fold it together, and then there you go. I promise it will not unravel at all. So I'll just show you guys how I did that again, and I hope that you guys can see a little bit better as to what I'm doing. I'm securing it, pulling it through, evening it out, as you can see, and then getting my medium section of kinky hair, half of it close to the scalp, half of it for wrapping, and then we wrap around. The reason I put half of it close, like I do half on, half off, is just because it gives you like a base and it adds some thickness, especially at the start. Because if you literally just take it and start wrapping it around, I just feel like it doesn't give you the juiciness. I don't know if you want to try it first without the method that I'm doing, but doing the half on, half off gives you that kind of nice, secure start, and it gives you that thickness to start off with. And then we just keep on going, guys. And as you can see, there's that thin hair, there is hair I'm wrapping around, and then fold it together into your hands, and there you go. That's all done. And then I'm going to show you guys one more time the final hair. But guys, I was like, I want to do locks, but I don't want to like actually do the locks with my hair. I want something that I can just take down when I'm done with it. You know what I'm saying? So I really was happy with this. The only thing I'll say is taking this hair down was not easy at all, but overall it's a beautiful, nice, protective style. And it looks good as well. And I don't know if you guys can notice the color of the kinky and the color of the butterfly knots are two different colors. But yeah, I'm trying to make sure that you get the right colors and that they actually match each other. And that's done. What do you guys think? It's quite full. You know me, I love my hair full. You don't have to make it this full, but I love it thick and full. I'm just going to show you guys the bottom, the base of it. It's beautiful. And then I styled it as well, just to show you guys that you can style it. It's not as brittle as it looks. It is soft and movable. And then I'm just adding some accessories because why not, guys? If you're going to do a style as nice as this, why not accessorize it? Love it so much. And then you just get those clip-ons, which I bought in Ghana, guys. I wish I could share where I got those from, but I bought them on the streets of Ghana. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.